Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be about the most important issue, water crisis. I request you to watch this video until end to understand the seriousness of situation we are in. Don't think water crisis to be a future problem. It is the most pressing issue even right now. Out of 2.5% of Earth's freshwater supply, only 0.25% is readily available for mankind. Fresh water is used for drinking, cleaning, agriculture, industrial activities, producing electricity, and many other activities. According to the report of Press Information Bureau published in 2013, in India, around 78% of fresh water is used in irrigation, 6% in domestic sector, and rest of water is consumed by other activities. Due to increasing population, urbanization, and industrialization, demand of water is increasing dramatically. But on the other hand, availability of water resources is falling at a fast rate. There are two major water sources, that is surface water and groundwater. Today, 70% of surface water is polluted due to various human activities. Groundwater levels are also falling quite drastically. According to the report of Niti Aayog, so far till 2020, 21 major cities, including Delhi, Chennai, and Bengaluru, have run out of groundwater supply. In India, already 60 crore people face high to extreme water stress. At least 2 lakh people die each year due to lack of access to safe water. By 2030, 40% of population will have no access to drinking water. In 1947, during independence, per capita water availability was over 5000 meter cube per year, and by 2025, per capita availability will only be 1500 meter cube per year. This means availability is only 30% of the availability at the time of independence. By 2050, estimated human population is 9.8 billion, and according to United Nations, 5 billion people could have poor access to fresh water by 2050, out of which 1 billion people will be in Asia alone. Now, to make this water crisis even worse, climate change has started contributing. Rising temperatures and change in rainfall patterns are going to cause more droughts and floods in the country. Both of these conditions are perfect for causing water scarcity in the particular regions. In the regions having less or no rainfall, the surface water is not recharged, but on the other hand, due to high temperatures, lakes and rivers are drying quite fast. In the areas having heavy rainfall or cyclones, floods are more prominent. Floods cause sewage waste and waste generated by damage of properties to contaminate the surface water, which again causes the water scarcity in the region. What I mean to say is, whatever the scenario is, apart from poor living conditions, what is certain is lack of water availability. Kindly write in the comments if you belong to the locations suffering from water shortage so that other people can know the reality. Share this video as much as you can so that people can become aware of water crisis because governments are not awareing people about the reality. Awareness of an issue is the first step towards solving any problem in the world.